Alright, y'all, so right now we got the DJI Avata with the RC remote with the POV goggles. I think it's the goggles too, you know what I'm saying? It kind of look like an alien. And we got the phone connected. So this is what the camera sees right now. It is a little bit late and the goggles are on 25%, but you feel me? This is the first day of us flying it. Hopefully I don't crash it in the water. I just realized that we were right by water. And right now, I could see what's displaying on my phone. I could actually see it through these goggles. But the only thing is I don't know these controls right here. So we're going to try to figure it out. You know, I'm going to treat it like a video game because I feel like that's how you have to treat life. Like a big game, you know what I'm saying? So let's see how we do this. I'm assuming we're going to click the lock 2 times and it might start flying. So let's see. Battery capacity, I did it. Oh snap. So with this, but it won't go that way. Oh shit. So that way. Oh shit, bro. Woo! I ain't gonna lie. Get the fuck down. I'm assuming this is how you land it. Oh, we recording now. Wait, what? Oh, it's locked. Okay. You can put it in a lock state. Should we start recording? Let's start recording. Woo! That shit is raw. Yeah, you can. Holy. Do you know what you can do with this, bro? Do you know what you can do with this? Y'all about to see some of the craziest POVs with this drone, bro. I appreciate my bae for getting me the first ever drone though. It really like got me into the drone world, and you know, it went from something so personal but so convenient, and now we got a bigger drone. So in the other drone I have is still very usable. It's more so like it has features that no other drones have. So like it'll follow you, it'll do automatic type of shots or whatnot. And then these drones are more so manual, like you want to control them more. So different uses, but fire. I'm gonna let you try it. You gonna try it? Mm-hmm. It's like a video game, like you in that bit, like zzz. Whoo, that shit went all the way up there.
Yeah.
Bro, I couldn't even tell.
So fast.
I couldn't even tell. Bro, I was all the way over there.
It was going so fast.
Bro, what?
You heard me giggling, didn't you?
This is crazy, bro. If you need to know where your man's at, if you need to know where your girl's at, holla at your boy, man. D-Lo spot him. D-Lo will spot him. D-Lo will spot him. It's junk raw, bro. I'll let you try it out.
Here we go.
Right.
We gonna see though.
And you know what's crazy?
What's crazy? What? What?
I can co-pilot you, so I can tell you what to do.
You can?
By watching this.
Okay.
Alright. I forget how to even use it. I'm not gonna.
Cause I really don't even know where it is for real.
Press that button down, don't be scared. Now fly with it, turn it back.
Turn it back?
Don't fly into anything, man.
Okay.
Do you see where it says the H?
What H?
Are you lost? Cool. You'll get it. And I know it's not like for some reason it wasn't as calibrated is what I'm looking for. For you it seemed like it wasn't as calibrated, but it seemed like it would turn to the right a little bit more, but when you go to the left, it's like not as calibrated. But we'll figure all that stuff out. But man, this was a W flying session. This is just a test, y'all. This was just a test. Looks like I got a new firmware to download already. RC Motion. So we'll go ahead and power everything off. You got the battery in your pocket? It's heavier. So if you're gonna be in high winds, it's gonna withstand any kind of wind. So you could be like near where them boys were in the Titanic, and it's gonna withstand that type of wind. This may be a little bit flizzy, is what I guess I'll say. Flizzy when it's in the wind. Not as much though. What?
You can really fly the drone at like Mason football game or Nalo's football game.
And run with him.
And get some. You really could. You
Hey, get him. If you get a 100-yard touchdown,
you go with him.
Kick return, and this junk is following him, that would be the hardest highlight in the world. But yeah, man, even on the highway, you might see you with the scat packs for real, because the other one goes faster than the scat. I don't go faster than the scat, but it'll be the scat pack. Motorcycles. Man, just so much. I wish I had it in Jamaica, I'm not gonna lie to you. But we was moving too fast in Jamaica, like in the rainforest.
Puerto Rico?
Oh yeah, Puerto Rico. I'm talking about Jamaica. But yeah, man, without further ado, I catch up with y'all boys another day, man.